Welcome to this Android channel, and of course we have tidbits of news included in here. And of course, as we mentioned, the tidbits of news might actually include Apple news in the near future. So there's been an announcement officially. Google has actually announced that they will be doing a event on October 15th in New York City. And of course, here you see the announcement that says, "Come see a few new things made by Google." So in there we have the possibility of some Pixel books, maybe some possibility of Google devices like Google Home and so on. There's a talk about a refresh of the Google Home Mini devices, but also what is important for some of you here, especially since we are talking about Android, is the announcement of the Pixel 4 phone that will be October 15th. So this is rumors that actually have been talked about in the past few weeks, but today it seems that it's official that those rumors seem to point at the fact that the Pixel 4 phones will be released and announced, at least announced, on October 15th. So that's less than a month, almost a month from now. And of course, that will be something we'll be following on this channel as that event will go through, because we want to know what they're going to do and what's going to be happening with these devices. So if you were waiting for the next version of the Pixel phone, apparently will be announced next month in New York City on October 15th. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.